Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make sauerkraut. All you need is 1 cabbage head, some garlic, and some kosher salt. You're also going to need 3 normal sized mason jars, which are the 16-ounce ones, or 1 32-ounce and 1 8-ounce for the full head of cabbage. And then what you're going to do is just thinly cut your cabbage. If you have a mandolin, it might be easier to use that, but if you don't, no worries. Just thinly cut a head of cabbage or half a cabbage, whatever you feel like you're gonna eat. Next, I chopped 2 cloves of garlic. This is optional, but I think it'll taste really yummy. Okay, so the next step is to add salt. This is the most important step. It's necessary. Basically, this will let the cabbage probiotics or the cabbage bacteria grow and will stop the harmful human bacteria, that might be on your hands or in the plate, from growing. And finally, we're just gonna mix around and squeeze the cabbage until you start seeing juice, probably for about 15 to 20 minutes. So once you feel like you have enough juice, it should be almost half juice, half cabbage. I'm going to just take the cabbage, squeeze out as much juice as I can get from it, and then throw it into the container. Next, you're going to want to push down the cabbage as much as you can, trying to make no air bubbles or leaving no room for oxygen to be in the jar. So either push it down with your hands, with your knuckles, or with a spoon. So once you've patted all the cabbage down, making sure there's no air bubbles, you can pour in the cabbage juice and make sure that none of the cabbage is touching the air. So no cabbage should be exposed to the air, and you're gonna see in a few seconds, I'm gonna keep patting it down. So make sure that no pieces of cabbage is on the jar or exposed to the air. So lastly, I'm going to fill up a little baggie with water and place it on top of the cabbage. This will ensure that no oxygen is hitting the cabbage juice or the cabbage, and then you just tighten the lid onto the baggie.